Picture this. You're in the grocery store, standing in front of a mountain of onions, the bright lights overhead making the colors pop. The produce aisle is bustling, carts rolling by, but you're frozen in place, faced with a decision that seems simple, until it isn't. There are red onions, white onions, yellow onions, and maybe even a few sweet ones tucked in the back. Each one looks fresh, promising, and just a little bit mysterious. Which do you pick? Your recipe just says onion, but the choice isn't so simple. You hesitate, wondering if the wrong onion could ruin your meal, or if anyone would even notice. The truth is, each onion brings something different to the table, literally and figuratively. Their flavors, colors, and textures can transform a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Choosing the right one can make your dish tastier, prettier, and even healthier. The right onion can elevate a salad, add depth to a stew, or bring a pop of color to your favorite sandwich. For many cooks, onions are like kitchen superheroes, always ready to save the day, no matter what's on the menu. They're the unsung heroes that quietly build flavor in the background. They make food taste better, add crunch, and can even change the way a dish looks. Whether raw in a salad or caramelized in a pan, onions have the power to transform. But not all onions are the same. Each variety has its own personality, its own strengths, and its own best uses. Red and white onions, in particular, have unique qualities that set them apart. Their flavors, textures, and even their nutritional benefits can be surprisingly different. Sometimes, the difference is small, a subtle shift in taste or color. Other times, it changes everything, turning a bland dish into something memorable. Do you grab the spicy, sharp white onion, perfect for adding a punch to salsas and stir-fries? Or do you pick the pretty sweet red one, ideal for salads, sandwiches and dishes where you want a burst of color and a milder bite? The answer depends on what you're making, who you're cooking for, and even your own taste preferences. Sometimes, the right onion is the one you already have at home. Knowing the difference helps you become a better cook, even if you're just making a salad or a sandwich. It's a small detail that can make a big impact. In this essay, we'll compare red onions and white onions in every way that matters. Taste, texture, nutrition, and even how they affect the look of your food. From flavor and texture to science and price, you'll get the facts you need to make the best choice for any recipe. We'll even talk about which onion is best for your budget. By the end, you'll know exactly which onion to use and when. So grab your cutting board and your favorite knife. Let's get chopping and solve the onion aisle dilemma once and for all. Onions are one of the oldest vegetables people have ever used. Historians think people were growing onions over 5,000 years ago. Ancient Egyptians even worshipped onions. They believed the onion's many layers represented eternal life. Onions have traveled the world, popping up in almost every cuisine. Red and white onions have their own stories. Red onions likely came from Central Asia, just like most onions. Their lovely purple-red color made them popular. White onions have been grown in places like Mexico and Spain for centuries. They're known for their strong, classic onion taste. Both types became kitchen favorites because they're easy to grow and store. Farmers found that different onions did better in different climates. That's why we have so many types today. No matter where you go, you'll find onions being chopped, sautéed, or eaten raw. Learning about onion history helps us see why they are so important. Whether red or white, onions have shaped the way we cook and eat across the world. Their differences make our meals more interesting and delicious. Let's talk about taste. When it comes to onions, not all varieties are created equal. The flavor you get can completely change the personality of your dish, so understanding the difference between mild and sharp onions is key for any home cook or food lover. Red onions are famous for their mild, sweet flavor. Their vibrant color isn't just for looks, it's a hint at their gentler taste. Unlike some other onions, red onions don't have that harsh bite, making them a favorite for eating raw. When you bite into a raw red onion, you get a gentle, almost fruity taste. There's a subtle sweetness that lingers, and the texture is crisp without being overwhelming. It's a flavor that's easy to enjoy, even for those who usually shy away from raw onions. That's why you often see red onions in salads, salsas, and on burgers. Their mildness means they blend in beautifully, adding crunch and color without stealing the spotlight from other ingredients. They don't overpower other flavors, and they even taste a little juicy. That moisture adds a refreshing element, making every bite feel light and crisp. Red onions are perfect for dishes where you want a hint of onion, without too much intensity. White onions, on the other hand, are strong and sharp. Their flavor is much more assertive, with a pungency that can wake up your taste buds in an instant. Take a bite of a raw white onion, and you'll notice a punchy, almost spicy kick. It's the kind of flavor that can bring tears to your eyes. Literally, the sharpness is unmistakable, and it's what gives white onions their reputation for boldness. They have more of the classic onion bite. That strong, zesty flavor is what many people think of when they imagine onions. It's intense, but it can also be incredibly satisfying in the right dish. When cooked, white onions mellow out fast, but they still add plenty of bold taste to your food. Sautéing or roasting them brings out their natural sweetness, but a hint of that sharpness always remains, giving depth to soups, stews, and stir-fries. Because of these flavor differences, each onion works better in different dishes. Red onions shine in raw preparations, while white onions are often the go-to for cooking, especially when you want a strong onion presence. If you want something gentle and sweet, red onions are your friend. They're ideal for topping tacos, mixing into guacamole, or adding to a fresh salad for a pop of color and flavor. If you want a big, bold onion flavor, go for white onions. They're perfect for hearty dishes like chili, curries, or anything that needs a strong, savory base. It's all about matching the onion to your meal. Think about the flavors you want to highlight, and choose the onion that will complement them best. Knowing the flavor of each onion helps you decide. Next time you're at the store or in your kitchen, take a moment to consider which onion will bring out the best in your recipe. Mild and sweet or sharp and strong. The choice is yours, and it can make all the difference in your cooking. The right choice can turn a good dish into a great one. So experiment, taste, and discover how the humble onion can elevate your meals to a whole new level. Texture is just as important as taste. Red onions are known for their firm, crisp bite. When you chop them, they hold their shape well. That's why they're perfect in raw dishes like salads or sandwiches. You get a nice crunch without being too hard. White onions, by contrast, are a bit softer. Their flesh is juicy and tends to break down easily when chopped. When you cook white onions, they soften even more and almost melt into your food. That creamy texture is why they're often used in soups and sauces. If you want crunch, choose red onions. If you want something that blends smoothly into your dish, white onions are the better pick. Texture can change how a dish feels in your mouth, not just how it tastes. Think about what you want from your food. Do you want a crunchy salad or a silky soup? The texture of your onion can help you get there. Little choices make a big difference. Have you ever wondered why chopping onions almost always brings tears to your eyes? It's a classic kitchen mystery that's puzzled cooks for generations, but the answer lies in the fascinating world of chemistry. When you slice into an onion, you're actually triggering a tiny chemical reaction right on your cutting board. Both red and white onions are packed with special sulfur-containing compounds, which are stored separately in the onion's cells. As soon as your knife breaks those cells open, the compounds mix together and form a new chemical called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. A mouthful, but it's the real culprit behind your tears. This chemical quickly vaporizes and floats up toward your eyes, where it reacts with the water on your eyeballs to create a mild sulfuric acid. Your eyes don't like this irritation, so they start producing tears to wash the acid away. That's why you end up crying, even if you're not actually sad. The stronger and fresher the onion, the more of these sulfur compounds it contains, and the more likely you are to shed a few tears. But onions aren't just about making you cry, they're also about color and nutrition. Red onions, for example, have something extra called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are natural pigments that give red onions their beautiful, vibrant purple-red color. They're not just for looks either, these pigments are powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body's cells from damage, so adding red onions to your meals can give you a little health boost along with that pop of color. White onions, on the other hand, don't have these colorful pigments. That's why they look pale and have fewer antioxidants compared to their red cousins. But both types of onions share those sulfur compounds, which are responsible for their strong, distinctive taste and unmistakable aroma. In fact, white onions usually have a bit more of these sulfur compounds, which is why their flavor is sharper and more pungent. Red onions, with their milder taste, are often preferred raw in salads, salsas, and sandwiches, while white onions are great for cooking when you want a bold, savory punch. So, understanding the science behind onions can actually help you pick the perfect one for your recipe, whether you want a subtle sweetness or a strong, zesty kick. If you're looking to add color, nutrition, and a gentler flavor to your dish, red onions are a fantastic choice. They're especially great in fresh dishes, where you want a little crunch and a lot of visual appeal. But if you want that classic, robust onion flavor that stands out in cooked dishes, white onions have the chemistry to deliver just that. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, a little science goes a long way in making your meals both delicious and tear-free. So, when should you use red onions, and when should you reach for white? Red onions are perfect raw. Toss them in salads, slice them for sandwiches, or sprinkle them over tacos. Their color and mild taste make them stand out. They're also great in salsas and pickles, anytime you want crunch and freshness. Now, white onions shine when cooked. They break down fast and blend into dishes like soups, stews, and stir-fries. Their strong taste adds depth to cooked meals. They're often used in Mexican and Southwestern cooking where you want bold flavor without too much sweetness. If you're grilling, red onions hold their shape well on skewers. If you're making a classic French onion soup, white onions cook down into that sweet golden base. For guacamole, try white onions for a sharp bite, or red onions for a milder, colorful twist. The best cooks think about which onion matches each dish. Trust your taste buds and don't be afraid to experiment. Every meal is a chance to learn. Color makes food more exciting. Red onions bring a burst of purple red to your plate. Sprinkle them on a salad or burger, and everything looks fresher and brighter. The vibrant color signals sweetness and crunch, making your dish look as good as it tastes. White onions blend in. They disappear into sauces, soups, and casseroles. If you want a smooth, uniform look, white onions are the answer. They don't stand out, but they do enhance the overall flavor. Sometimes, less is more. Visuals matter, especially if you're serving guests or posting your meals online. Bright red onions can turn a plain dish into something beautiful. White onions keep things simple and classic. Think about the look you want. Do you want your onions to pop or to blend in? Both have their place, so pick the right one for your meal. Let's talk money and storage. Red onions are sometimes a little pricier than white onions, but not by much. The price can change depending on where you live and the season. Both types are affordable and easy to find in most stores. When it comes to storage, both onions like cool, dry places. Red onions usually last a bit longer because of their thicker skin. Once you cut an onion, wrap it up and put it in the fridge. Red onions can pick up flavors from other foods, so keep them away from strong smells. For everyday meals, think about what you cook most. If you love salads and raw veggies, keep red onions on hand. If you make lots of soups, stir-fries, or casseroles, white onions are your friend. Most kitchens have both. Choosing the right onion is about what works for you. A little planning saves time and makes every meal taste better. Onions may seem simple, but they do a lot. Red onions are sweet, crisp, and colorful. White onions are sharp, soft, and blend in well. Each has its own flavor, texture, and best use. Knowing these differences helps you become a more confident cook. Don't be afraid to try both types in your kitchen. Use red onions when you want color and mild taste. Pick white onions for strong flavor and silky texture. Think about your dish and what you want it to be. The next time you're at the store, you'll know what to choose. Your meals will look better, taste better, and maybe even be a little healthier. Onions aren't just an afterthought, they're the secret ingredient to great cooking. Have fun experimenting. Share your onion stories and ideas. Let's keep cooking and learning together.